To make a cardboard cylinder, start by cutting straight edges on every side of the cardboard. Use the cutting mat grid to cut a straight edge. Flip the cardboard around, measure 7 inches, cut one more line. Flip the cardboard perpendicular, cut a straight edge along the grid. Use the straight edge and the grid to measure 3 inches, cut one more line. The cardboard is now 3 by 7 inches. Score every 1/4 inch along the cardboard. Cutting across the corrugated section of the cardboard. When scoring, make sure not to cut all the way through the cardboard, just the top layer and the corrugated layer of the cardboard. Use the markings on the cutting mat to measure every 1/4 inch. Score lines all the way across the cardboard. At the end of the cardboard, flip the cardboard around to make sure the straight edge is on top of the cardboard and not falling off the edge of the cardboard. Gently start bending the cardboard. If the lines are not scored all the way through, use the cutting mat to go back and cut through the first 2 layers of the cardboard. Be careful not to cut all the way through. When cutting, keep your hands away from the path of the cutting knife. Some scored lines may have one area that needs to be cut further. The scored lines give the cardboard flexibility to bend. When the cardboard is scored and flexible enough to curve into a cylinder, cut a piece of tape approximately 5 inches long. Place the tape on the edge of the 3-inch part of the cylinder, with the tape sticking off the edge enough for the other end of the cylinder to curve around and also be taped. Fold the ends over. The tape will be visible on this cylinder, so take care in lining the tape up perfectly. Trim the ends of the tape. This will be visible through the outside tape. Add another piece of tape to the outside seam, covering the ends of the first piece of tape. Adjust the tape to line up. The tape on the outside should be larger than the seam. Fold the ends over and into the inside of the cylinder.